Hello and welcome to Web Math Academy, where today, as promised, we're going to show how to make a histogram in Microsoft Excel and with your TI-Nspire CAS calculator. We'll start with Excel. We have the data here from our last module, which is the top 30 airports in the country and their on-time arrival rankings, from Honolulu, Hawaii, the highest, to Newark, New Jersey, at the lowest. To make a histogram in Excel could not be easier. You simply go up here to the right to Analyze Data, click on that, and then there's a listing here of 4 or 5 different plots that you could look at. We want this one here that shows sort of a histogram, more of a bar chart, and you click on that and click Insert Chart, and it pops up over here, and this is the chart showing the frequency data for our analysis. However, we want it to look a little different, and so to do that, we click on Chart Style, and any of these would work. I'll choose the one that we had in our previous lecture, and that would do it. That's the histogram for the on-time percentage data. You can see also that it looks roughly like a bell shape, meaning that it's a normal distribution, which, as we mentioned, is very important. We'll discuss in a future module. Now for our TI-Nspire CAS calculator, we'll show you how to make a histogram. First, you have to enter the data just like we did in Excel. And to do that, we click on the data button, the green one, and then we just start putting in the data just like we did before: 66.54, 72.05, 73.56, etc., etc. And then the other very important thing you want to do is label it, because the calculator uses this name as the variable to make the histogram from. So we're going to use on time, and it has to be one word, no spaces, and no special characters either. Like, let's say you were tempted to do on time percentage. If you did that, it would say syntax error, can't use. So we'll get rid of the percent time, just call it on time, and that's good to go. And I've already entered all this data in, so we'll skip ahead. Okay, as you can see here, I put in all the data for our on-time percentages. And to get to the histogram, we click on the On button. And then we click here on the Graph button. And there's a scatter plot here, which is all over the place. To fix that, all we do is, on the bottom here, click to enter variable. And it gives us our choice for on time. That happens to be the one we're using. So we click on that, and it arranges itself into a dot plot, which is also very useful. And then to change that to a histogram, we just go to Menu, number 1, Plot Type, number 3, Histogram. And there it is. There's our histogram. Now we can alter this if we want. For instance, right now it's showing columns of 2 apart. What if we want to use 4 apart? Well, that's also easy. Just go to Menu again. Only this time, instead of Plot Type, we go to Plot Properties, Histogram Properties, Histogram, and then Bin Settings. And then we want equal bin width. And we change this to 4. And then we also, it'd be easier if we change the alignment so that it starts at an even number. Our lowest number is 66.54, so let's use 66. Okay, and there it is. There's our histogram. Very similar looking to the one in Excel. Finally, we can see that our graph is sort of cut off at the top. We can't see the whole thing, and we would like to see the whole thing. So to do that, very simple, back to Menu. Windows Zoom, that's number 5. Zoom Data, number 2. Click on that. And there you go, there's the histogram in all its glory. So if you have any questions about how this works, be sure to email us at our website, webmathacademy.com.